Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make your Steam profile look absolutely cool in just a few minutes. If you've ever wanted your profile to stand out and reflect your personality, this guide is for you. Let's get started. First, open your Steam app on your computer. If you haven't installed it yet, go ahead and do that now. Once it's running, log in with your account credentials. Make sure everything is typed correctly to avoid any hiccups. Once you're in, head over to the top right corner and click on your profile name. From the drop-down menu, select View My Profile. This is where the magic happens, your personal space to showcase your style. Next, click Edit Profile. Here you can customize almost every aspect of your profile. Start with your avatar. It's the first thing people see. Choose one that represents you, or grab a unique one from the Steam Points shop if you want something extra special. If you have enough points, you can even purchase rare avatars or animated ones for added flair. Once your avatar is set, it's time to focus on your profile background. Steam offers a variety of backgrounds, or you can grab some from the Points shop to match your vibe. Don't forget avatar frames. They're a small touch but can make your profile pop instantly. Another often overlooked feature is your mini profile. It's that tiny section that shows up in chats and comments, but customizing it can really elevate your presence on Steam. While you're at it, consider updating your profile theme to tie everything together. Think of it as the finishing touch that makes your profile cohesive and stylish. Remember, each small tweak from avatars and backgrounds to frames and themes adds a personal touch. Steam isn't just a gaming platform, it's a community where you can show off your personality and make connections with other gamers. And that's it. With just a few clicks, your Steam profile can go from plain to eye-catching and truly yours. Take your time experimenting with different styles and don't be afraid to mix things up. Thanks for watching, and if you found this helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more tips to level up your gaming experience.